Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Open the title, description, or comment field in YouTube Studio and place your cursor where the emoji belongs. Use your device's emoji picker. On Windows, press Win and period. On Mac, press Control Command Space. On mobile, switch to the emoji keyboard. Once selected, the emoji inserts immediately. Make sure the surrounding text reads naturally and won't break search phrases. You should now save the draft or publish. Test visibility by viewing the video page as a regular viewer. You now focus on selection and placement for effect and discoverability. Choose emojis that reinforce meaning, like a play symbol for trailers or a flame for trending topics, because they draw attention and convey tone quickly. Once chosen, pair them with strong keywords in the title and a pinned comment to boost click clarity without harming SEO. Make sure to preview on both mobile and desktop, since rendering can vary, and adjust if an emoji appears distorted or misaligned with your layout. You finish by saving and publishing, then immediately verify the emoji displays across browsers, the YouTube app, and incognito mode. If an emoji vanishes or shows as a blank box, that often means character encoding or unsupported glyphs. Remove the suspect symbol and replace it with a standard emoji from the platform picker. Once done, republish the change and double-check. Make sure to limit emoji count to avoid appearing spammy. Keeping a consistent style helps viewers recognize your brand instantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.